Hi, it's Emma from Robertelli's Estate Agents. Today I'm at Highfield Street where we have 2 new build plots remaining. The plot 2 has a lounge to the front with breakfast kitchen to the rear, and plot 3 has a breakfast kitchen to the front with a lounge and French doors onto the rear. Both kitchens have integrated appliances and downstairs WCs. Both properties on the first floor benefit from 2 bedrooms and a family bathroom. And both properties on the second floor has the master bedroom with an ensuite shower room and Velux windows offering lots of light. Both of these properties have low maintenance rear gardens, so if you would like to arrange your viewing, please call the office on 0115 946 1818. And if you're a developer who has some new builds that you'd like to sell and know the valuations for them, again, call us on 0115 946 1818.